Downloading and installing Health TeamSpaces. If you had downloaded and installed Health TeamSpaces earlier, please delete all prior versions. So I get rid of it from the dock. I remove what I have here. I have some old items in downloads. And in the applications folder, I have an old version that I am going to move to trash. All right, and empty the trash. Find the email with the links to the install versions of the application. There should be a link for a Windows version and a Mac version. Along with it are the installation instructions and the link to the video. I'm going to open the Mac version. Click on the link. It takes you to a location on Google Drive. Please use the download link on the top right. Close the browser window. Close your email window. Open the download folder. Click on the Health TeamSpaces disk image. Read and agree to the license agreement. Drag the Health TeamSpaces icon into the applications folder. Close the disk image folder. Open the applications folder. You see Health TeamSpaces. Click on that icon. It tells you it cannot be opened because Apple cannot check it. It allows you to show in Finder. Select that. You now see Health TeamSpaces inside the applications folder. Click and hold the control button and click and hold on the icon. You get the menu. Select Open. Now you get the same message, Apple cannot check, but you get 3 options, including the option to open the app. Open it. You now see it behind your Finder. Close the Finder window and select Play. Your application is now running.